Good evening and welcome to News 24. This is Tamima Islam with the top news of the day. Bangladesh has recorded its sharpest rise in daily cases of COVID-19 yet, according to the Health Directorate. During a virtual briefing today, Additional Director General of Health Directorate Professor Dr. Nasima Sultana has confirmed 3 more deaths from the novel coronavirus and 790 new cases of infection in the last 24 hours. With this, the death toll from the deadly virus rose to 186 and the number of total infections stood at 11,719. Meanwhile, another member of Dhaka Metropolitan Police has died from the novel coronavirus infection in the capital. Bangladesh Police has reported deaths of 6 officers from the deadly virus so far. The government has decided to reopen the mosques in the country on condition from Thursday after a closure for more than 1 month due to coronavirus outbreak. According to the Ministry of Religion press release, the country's mosques will be reopened from Zohar prayers on Thursday following the health guidelines. However, it is also mentioned that in the case of Jamaat prayers in the mosque, the devotees have to maintain social distance of at least 3 feet. The largest isolation center in the country is ready to serve coronavirus-infected patients. In addition to the 2,013 bed isolation centers, a 71-bed ICU unit is also being built there. The appointed director of the ICCB Isolation Center said the hospital is ready to serve patients. However, he could not assure when the inauguration will take place. However, construction work on the 71-bed ICU is still ongoing. It will take at least another week to complete, technicians said. Meanwhile, Awami League General Secretary and Road Transport and Bridges Minister Obaidul Qadir thanked Bosundhara Group for coming forward in humanitarian welfare despite the coronavirus disaster. He also said that the country's leading industrial group has ignited hope in the minds of the people by setting up large hospitals for medical services during the epidemic. Over 2,57,000 people around the world have now died from COVID-19, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. The number of confirmed cases exceeds 3.6 million, while nearly 1.2 million people have recovered. Meanwhile, coronavirus deaths in the United Kingdom have surpassed the 30,000 mark, the highest in Europe, according to official data. On the other hand, the death toll in the United States continues to surge with over 71,000 deaths and over 1.2 million cases. The U.S. continues to lead worldwide cases and deaths from the virus. In the meantime, the Trump administration is poised to break up the White House Coronavirus Task Force, the public face of the U.S. response to the virus, even as experts warn that the worst is yet to come. According to The Guardian reports, Trump's advisors said his daily appearances were hurting his chance of re-election in November, especially after he suggested with no evidence that disinfectant could fight the virus in human bodies. That's all the news for today. Thank you for watching News 24. Please stay with us.